I just want to give you some statistics here. Short text posts, meaning under 150 characters, or posts with a question using the word should, would, or which, or posts with an emoticon get anywhere from 33% to 100% higher shares, likes, and comments. Now, I don't mean to say use all of those things in everything you post, but definitely include one of those elements. I have the sources for those studies in the resources if you'd like to check them out. According to a Wildfire Interactive study of 10,000 random Facebook campaigns, coupons and discounts resulted in more Facebook likes than any other type of posts. Shares, on the other hand, increased the most with pick your favorites, quizzes, and contests. Quizzes are very popular. In fact, in a study done by BuzzSumo of 100 million articles, 8 of the 10 most shared articles on the web from September 2013 to April 2014 were quizzes. ShortStack is a great company for creating contests and quizzes. This is very compatible with Facebook. Again, the name is ShortStack. And finally, Facebook posts, which include photos, drive the most engagement, meaning the greatest number of likes, anywhere from 39 to 120% more, depending on the study you look at. And of course, images and video are going to be great bets, with video slowly becoming the more popular option. But again, test this out yourself. See what works for you. At a minimum, though, I would include an image in every post you do. Always focus on the times of day or the days of the week when you get maximum visibility. Most of the time that's going to mean the end of the week. There's actually a study on this. Adobe tracked 226 billion impressions from 300 large companies and found that Friday was the best day of the week for posting, while Sundays were the worst.